once again, I'm yours truly, Diva Laree with UNARepublic. We are streaming on YouTube. We are streaming on TikTok. I want you guys, I'm going to go into this first because we do have a membership program and I want you all to enroll in it. Even if you don't get any of these packages, you can still send us a message if you're wanting to be a part of the UNA membership program, because we have another platform that we're setting up such that when these spots here on TikTok and YouTube are interrupted, we have an uninterrupted source that you will be able to access when they shut us down for telling too much of the truth or saying words that they don't like for us to say. You have another platform. So I want you all to make sure you are enrolled so that when we get that platform up very shortly, you'll be a part of it. All right. So now I want to tell you about our membership programs. All right. This is the Awakened membership program. Okay. And with this membership, it's $10 a month. Now, with this plan, this is going to get you those inspirational messages that we put out to our students and our other members. And we're going to be in contact with you. We want to reach out to you. All right. And be able to give you that inspiration that you're so looking for so that we can get to that spiritual level. So, we know once we get to the spiritual level and we're in control of that, then we can start creating our third dimension the way we want it to be. All right. This is the awakened level. Then we have the transcendence level. With this level, you get those inspirational messages twice a week. And we're going to personalize it because we're going to be communicating directly to you. We're going to say your name. Say your name. Say your name. Right here. Get this package. And this one is $30 a month. That's twice a week. Also, for those of you all who are wanting to prepare yourself for the university, because there are some people who really want to get into the university, but they're not ready yet. They're not quite ready. So I want you all to enroll in this. This is going to give you some of our private sessions that we don't put out in the public. Some of the things that we can't even say in the public. And of course, you're going to get a discount on your consultation. So get this membership. All right. Then we have the luminosity. All right. Luminosity. And this is where you're getting 2 classes every week. Plus, you're also getting 2 emails. And of course, they're personalized. You're going to have access to our law library. You're going to have access to our archives, our video archives. This is going to, of course, you'll have the reduced amount on your consultations. And then this allows you to have access to some of those programs that we don't deal with anybody who's not a student. And that includes our mortgage elimination program, tax prep, car tag trust program, credit repair. Also, any kind of assistance you need, you can only get that assistance if you are under this luminosity or a student of UNA. All right. So we want to invite you to this program. Find the link in the bio, or if you're on TikTok, leave a comment in the inbox and we're going to get to you. Okay. Now, with respect to the university, starting Monday. All right. This is our autumn season 2024. We've got the power of word art, and we're going to go over some word art tonight. Power of word art and trust power. All right. Power of word art, we're dealing with these words that we speak in every day when we're dealing with people and how it affects you spiritually, how it affects you. So we're going over that in word art and trust power. Here we're dealing with getting your trust together. All right. Making sure that it's set up for your business, set up for your personal self, umbrella trust, credit, dealing with your credit, how to bank. All of that is in that class. So if you're wanting to join the UNA University, go to UNAuniversity.com. You can also, for my people who are on TikTok, I want y'all to like, share. So leave a comment in the comment section. If you're having any questions, you can also leave a message in the inbox with your name, phone number, and email. Name, phone number, and email. Leave that in the inbox if you're interested in enrolling in the university. All right. Trust. For those of y'all who know about the trust and you understand the power of the trust, here it is. This is the membership trust package with UNA. It comes with your sealed trust documents. It also comes with a membership badge. It also comes with an allodial ID. And once again, on the back of here, you got that QR code where you're going to always be able to access your certified documents. This comes with an education, and we're going to put them on record with our county as well. They will be on record with UNA. This package right here, if you're wanting this, once again, leave a message in the inbox, all right? Or visit us at UNARepublic.com or find the link in the bio, all right? Or the description. Any questions? One more thing. We want to invite you all also to purchase the UNA Beginner Law Book. All right, UNA Beginner Law Book. This comes with your hierarchy of law chart. It's going to come with your vibratory frequency chart. It's also going to come with your universal laws chart and this wonderful civilization cycle and your totem pole here. Very, very powerful tools. These are in the book, so if you get the physical copy, you're going to get those. This copy also comes with your maxims of law. All right, so this is a very, very powerful book. If you want it, find us UNAUniversity.com. UNAUniversity.com. All right, anybody have any questions? Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Leave a message in the inbox with your name, phone number, and email.